ballet point combination with Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing sous-sus, échappé, sous-sus, échappé. So what you're going to do is you're going to go sous-sus, échappé, sous-sus, échappé, sous-sus, échappé, sous-sus, échappé, sous-sus, échappé, sous-sus, échappé. Thank you much, love. Ballet point combination. We're going to be doing 3 sous-sus and then going into our échappé. So you're going to go sous-sus, 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 échappé, sous-sus, 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 échappé, sous-sus, 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 échappé, sous-sus, sous-sus, échappé. Much love. We're going to be doing a sous-sus passe combination. So you're going to do sous-sus, lower, sous-sus, lower. You're going to do passe. You're going to change to your back, passe, change to your back. Then you're going to do 2 sous-sus. Sous-sus, sous-sus. You're going to do passe, change to the front, passe, change to the front. 2 sous-sus, 1, 2, same thing. Change to the back, change to the back, sous-sus, sous-sus, and you're going to do your last one for balance, finish, and you're ready to do the other side. Ballet, échappé, on cross, point shoes. So we're going to go échappé 4th, 5th, échappé 2nd, 5th, échappé 4th, 5th, échappé 2nd, 5th. Then you're complete with the sous-sus. And then you're going to tendu and do your other side. You're going to do échappé, 5th, échappé, 5th, échappé, 5th, échappé, 5th. And then sous-sus. Much love. We're going to be doing a seesaw simple at the bar with our point shoes on. What we're going to be doing is we're going to go rise, coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down. So let's start. We're going to coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down. You're going to do a tendu with a little pique, and you're going to do a détourné, and then you're going to do your other side. So let's walk over there. And what you're going to do, is you're going to go coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down, coup de pied, down. You're going to do a small pique, and you're going to do a small détourné, and lower it down. Much love. Point ballet, we're going to be doing a preparation for pirouettes for point shoes. You're going to take a nice tendu out of front. You're going to do a demi-rond. You're going to go into your 4th. You're going to go up to your retire. You're going to lower it down. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. Tendu, demi-rond, 4th, retire, lower it down. Much love. So we're going to be doing a passe retire combination. So what we're going to do is we're going to go retire, down, close in front, retire, close in front. The last one you do a retire, but you're going to close behind. You're going to tendu to a little demi 4th, and you're going to go retire, and you're going to do a pirouette, and down. We're going to do the same thing to the other side, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go retire, down, retire, down, retire, close 4th. You're going to make a little demi, pirouette, and then finish. Close in 5th. Much love. This is an endurance combination for point shoes. So you're going to do 8 releves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tendu to 5th. 8 échappés. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do 4 passes. So passe, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to tendu to your other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is it. Much love.